friends, and welcome back to my channel. So sorry about the mess. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the winner to the pen and wristlet set that I made using items from my stash and items from Global Land. And I did say that I actually made two sets. One of them is in my shop and the other one I was going to give away. So this is the one that I'm going to give away. And you just basically have to be a visible subscriber and comment for me to enter you in this giveaway. So let's go ahead and choose a winner.